How to split video on CapCut. Are you guys facing issue to split video on CapCut application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on a mobile device. If you don't know how to download CapCut on a mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the app, now select the project that you want to split the video on. Once you open the project, now look at the timeline. Go to the part of the video where you want to split. Once you reach that part, click on the video. Once you click on it, look at the bottom of the screen where you can see multiple options. Tap on split. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to split the video clip on CapCut application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues, make sure to comment down below. Bye bye.